crypto morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. My name is pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. And this is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto market, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has jumped to 30 from yesterday's 26. Bitcoin dominance is 39.6%. 24-hour volume is 47 billion. And the overall market cap is 883 billion. Give or take 100 million. Well, were the CPI don't care numbers leaked yesterday? Does a handful of insiders know what they are already? Do the whales know something we don't? Wouldn't be the first time. In fact, that's usually how these pumps appear. But nonetheless, I'll take her. After banging on the 23% fib retracement door at 17.3 price action, decided to explode all day, peaking out at 18.4 and has feathered down to a time of production 18.2. So let's assume there's an equal amount of reaction left for the actual CPI number up and down. And, well, let's take a look at the upside and downside. First, the downside. Yes, the fib retracements. We have currently retested 23% fib at 18.2. Next stop down is a 38.2% fib level, 17.9. The Siggity 1.8% fib at 17.7. And our last gatekeeper before this pump gives it all back, down at 17.5. Now, a healthy functioning market should and would find support, if not a bounce from any of these levels. Question is, are we in a healthy functioning market? Well, regardless, here's the upside. If we dubbeth thee a bull flay, which is somewhat premature, but we're heartbreakingly optimistic on this Thursday CPI morn in January, then the price probability of this pattern is, and sing it with me now, you take the pull, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 19.5-ish. Should we be celebrating? Well, remember that price point. Now over on the ding-dong, we most certainly broke up and out of our symmetrical triangle. Now the only fib level I'm keeping my papers on is the 50% fib, down at 17.3, which of course is our old resistance level, now acting as support. But charts are a little obsessive-compulsive when it comes to levels of support and resistance. So the best case scenario is that it stamps the OCD ticket down there and pops back up. Now remember 19.5, the bull flag price probability. Well, there's basically little to no headwinds from where we are now to there. It's an old-fashioned volume gap. So and I say if we get some sweet fundamental nothings whispered in our ear from old Booze Breath Powell and the inflation data, well, we could get there pretty fast. It's almost like we were lulled to sleep by months of non-movement that we didn't even notice an almost 2 week slow pump up. But it's when we're asleep that the market likes to move. And when we wake up, well, the market likes to move against us. So let's keep our papers on the CPI aftermath today. And while central banks post monolithic losses, which make no mistake, that's people's money they're losing, what do you think those people will do when they're forced to discover Bitcoin out of pure economic necessity and survival? That's right. We're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected leads. And that's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing me out, won't you? I'll run the banks a boom dish bang. Whoa,
Oh, inflation, it doesn't exist. Inflation, it's just a myth. But if it does exist, well, for sure we don't have anything to do with it. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video.